Oskido, let's talk about the term grootman.
Yeah.
Because we throw it around loosely.
Yeah.
Grootman.
Yes, yeah.
What does it mean to you at a personal level? And how would you say you embody the term grootman?
Yeah, grootman, for me, I think it's a term which, when my definition would be, leadership, mentorship. I mean, you said something very, very significant when you came here to say, guys, can you see how easy it is to set up a podcast? That's a grootman telling you, because a lot of people always think things are complicated. That's what he said, that, check, I've got 2 mics, there's only one guy operating, and there he is. And a grootman is saying that you keep showing up, you keep doing. So we're talking about consistency.
Okay, so it has nothing to do with age.
Yeah, it's got nothing to do. No, it's got nothing. No.
Because you're 50, it doesn't mean no growth.
No.
You can be fair and dumb.
Yeah. But you give advice, you give mentorship. And for me, every person must have their own grootman. I mean, I'm a grootman. When things are tough, I go to them. And when you go to a grootman, I go to my grootman and I open up what I'm going through. And then I'm a grootman, they will give me advice. And when they give me advice, doesn't mean if they're going to meet up with Fresh, they're going to say, hey, your friend is like this, is going through that. A grootman holds his things. When he comes in, you go to a grootman and you tell him, you open up, and you know that you are in a safe space. And a grootman is going to advise and say, let's handle things this way. Or even when a grootman hears anything about you. Because our music industry, there's so much gossip which is going on. There's so many people want to pull you down. Or when you hear something, a grootman will pick up that call. I'm a grootman and they will pick up that call. Oskido, I'm around. Say, please, can you have tea? Or let's meet. Then I'll go because I know a grootman. Then grootman will say, hey, you know what? I've heard this about this. What's going on? Then maybe you didn't want the grootman to know, but deep down. But you open up. And then the grootman will say, okay, strategically, let's think of this way. He is teaching you. A grootman is a person who you go to, and the grootman must be able to mentor, must be able to uplift you. You know what I mean? The grootman, remember, now they found their way, and then they must be able to uplift and mentor any person. That's how, for me, I would define a grootman. Everyone must have their grootman. No grootman lami.